Hello students, so today we will be discussing about different types of sand. There can be different types of sand depending upon the texture, use of sand and other parameters. So we will discuss them one by one. First of all, the questions that arise in our minds are how many types of sand are there, which type of sand should I use for brickwork, which type of sand should I use for plaster work, which type of sand should I use for concrete. This lecture will be very helpful for the engineering students as well as building material students. So first of all, what is sand? Sand can be classified based on various criteria as I mentioned earlier, such as general criteria and engineering criteria. Based on general criteria, sand can be many types. For example, coral sand, black sand, gypsum sand. As the name suggests, the coral sand contains coral remains and the gypsum sand contains gypsum. We'll ignore the general criteria. We will consider types of sand from the civil engineering point of view. Types of sand from the engineering point of view, the sand can be classified based on following types. Number one is based on its source. Number second is based on safe analysis. Number third, based on their purpose of use. Number fourth, based on their grain size. In soil sciences, we use the fourth parameter, that is grain size. And in engineering, we use all these three types. Okay, types of sand based on their sources. Natural sand, which includes pit sand, river sand, and sea sand. And the other one is artificial sand. Types of sand based on sieve analysis: fine sand, coarse sand, and gravelly sand. Fine sand contains particles that are very tiny, and coarse sand contains particles that are larger than fine sand. And gravelly sand contains particles that are larger than both of the fine and coarse sand. Types of sand based on their purpose of use. Number one is brick sand, plaster sand, and last one is the concrete sand. Types of sand based on the grain size: very fine sand, medium sand, coarse sand, very coarse sand. Okay, now let's discuss them one by one. What is pit sand? Pit sand. This is a type of natural sand and it's collected from the ground by digging a pit. What about its grain? It consists of sharp, angular, and rough grains. It is free from salt and organic materials. Sand type: it's a coarse type of sand. Color: due to coating of iron oxide, it shows red-orange color. Uses: due to its superior binding quality, it is widely used in civil engineering. Number second is the river sand. This is a type of natural sand and it's collected from the river bed or river bank. Grain: this sand consists of fine rounded grains. It is well graded. So, a river sand is fine type sand. It has a white gray color. It is available in clean condition and can be widely used for all purposes of construction activities like plastering and concreting. Sea sand: this type of sand is obtained from the seashore. It consists of round grains. It is also fine type sand. The color of sea sand is light brown. This type of sand is not normally used for construction work. Artificial sand: it is an effective alternative to river sand. It is produced by crushing either basalt rock or granite. It is well graded and coarse type of sand. Fine sand: Sand passing through a 1.5875 millimeter sieve is called fine sand. We use this sand mainly for plastering purposes. The grain size of this type of sand is between 0.125 millimeter to 0.25 millimeter. Coarse sand, a sand which is passing through 3.175 millimeter sieve is called coarse sand. For masonry work, house building work, we can say we mostly use this type of sand. The fine sand that we discussed earlier can be found in deserts. Gravelly sand, the sand which is passing through 7.62 millimeter sieve is called gravelly sand. We generally use this type of sand in concrete. Based on the purpose of use, brick sand, plaster sand, concrete sand. Brick sand, this sand is obviously used for brickwork. The fineness modulus of this sand should be 1.2 to 1.5 and should not contain more than 4% silt. Plaster sand, the fineness modulus should not be more than 1.5 and silt content should not be more than 4%. Concrete sand, the fitness modulus of this sand should be 2.5 to 3.5 and should not contain more than 4% silt.